Ladies and gentlemen, we're back in Emerson Park. This time I've got 4,000 square foot beauty to show you. The property is incredible and boasts many great features, including a south-facing rear garden, which incorporates a swimming pool. This property has been exquisitely maintained by the current sellers and boasts many features that you'd only exclusively find in Ibiza. There's a Balearic vibe that I need to show you, and this property is Freeman Way. Come and have a look around. Let's talk about a few of the key features of this house. We've got 7 bedrooms. We've got plenty of en-suites. We've got a substantial amount of reception rooms, an integral garage, off-street parking for numerous vehicles, and this fantastic slide. Not quite yet. I've got a game of pool that I want to play first. Wow, what a truly incredible home. If this property doesn't make you want to move, then I don't know what will. My name's Billy Gill, we are Balgores, and I look forward to seeing you here very soon.